On a cold night tonight. On a cold night tonight.
Need a last minute Halloween look with stuff you already have at home? Well, you're in the right place. Hey girlies, this is the Glam Empress, and today I'm showing you how to create a spooky, cute, glam Halloween look without splurging on any fancy makeup, whether it's eyeshadow, eyeliner, or just a touch of lipstick. I'll show you how to turn everyday products into a Halloween masterpiece. Let's dive into some easy, fun, and affordable makeup magic. So to start off this look, you want to start off with your base, and I just used the Easy Blurring Foundation by Huda Beauty, and I started using that as my base just to blur out any imperfections. And because this is like a glam ghostly look, I decided to use the foundation, the whitest foundation in House Labs, just to kind of ash out my face a little bit. And the thing that I love and enjoy about Halloween makeup is that you can literally make it whatever you want it to be. Just make sure you have an inspiration photo on hand and you can create the look from there. But yeah, I didn't want the look to be perfect. I literally wanted it to be like ghostly and ashy, so I started off with those two foundations, and then next I'm just doing a simple eyeshadow look. And with this specific eyeshadow look, you guys, I wanted to make it look like I look like dead in the face, so I just took some bronzer from my Juvia's palette and I'm putting it all over my eyelids, and I'm kind of smoking it out a little bit more, and then I'm going in with a heavy nose contour as well. But again, you can truly make this makeup look your own. If you have an inspiration photo, it's easy to kind of get an idea of how you want it to turn out. But that's simply what I did, and I will post my inspiration photo here as well so you guys can kind of see what I was looking at to create this look. So because I'm not really into gore, I'm more so a glam girly with just a little bit of edge. We're still going to do our normal routine as far as highlighting and making sure that that nose contour really stand out. And then we are going to be adding some lightness under the eyes and just doing what you would typically do during your normal makeup routine. And to elevate this look, I'm going to go in with my One Size Loose powder, and this is in the Ultra Pink. And of course, I still want to keep that washed out look, so I did decide to add a little pink under it as well, just to kind of add that ghostly effect over top of the two foundations that I'm already wearing. Now here is the fun part, and this is where we can get creative. So of course you're going to be reverting back to your inspiration photo, and in my inspiration photo she carved out a really chiseled jawline. So I'm just taking a really deep reddish brown eyeshadow color, and I'm using a pointed eyeshadow brush, and it's a very dense eyeshadow brush just to get the placement onto my face on where I want to carve out my cheekbones. And then I'm going in and I'm just fluffing out with a fluffy brush the medium brown bronzer, and I'm smoking it out along the jawline because you want to actually look like you're giving the illusion of a chiseled jawline. And first, initially, I did do my jaws a little bit too wide, so now I'm just trying to thin up my jawline that I created with some concealer just to get that desired width that I wanted in the jawline, because they don't have to be too wide, you guys. And that's what I realized, that I made them too wide. You actually, the skinnier the better. I actually wish that it was a little bit more skinnier, but even still, once I blended the concealer into the eyeshadow and I gave that illusion that I had a chiseled out jawline, I was satisfied with the results here. So to make the jawline a little bit more chiseled out and a little bit more spooky, I decided that I wanted to add some black eyeshadow, and I actually did get this suggestion from my coworker. She told me to add some black eyeshadow just to make it a little bit more spookier and have the jawline more defined. So I'm just smudging out the black eyeshadow into a grayish color just to give it more of a realistic look, because you don't want the colors to be harsh. You want them to be smoked out, but you still want it to be in a nice line. Like, you still don't want it to be too wide. So next, you guys, I am drawing on my nose. Now, I don't know what type of nose this girl had in this photo that I showed here, you guys. It was just, I was just trying to do it the best way I could. I did use the Inglot pot eyeliner in black, and I just tried to draw a nose to the best of my ability. Again, you guys, this is my very first time creating a Halloween look. Like, I've never done this even as a child. I never done this on anyone else. I never done like any type of face painting on myself. Like, this is the first time ever in my life that I've decided that I wanted to just get more creative with my makeup artistry, especially during the Halloween season when it's the time of year to be creative. So I wanted to get really creative. So I really just winged it as far as with this nose, because as you guys see in the picture, it really wasn't a defined nose that she had. I just came up with something to make it look like something. And then I did still have that pink powder dusted around my nose, and then I just dusted it away just so I can make everything look a little bit more flawless and kind of blend everything together. So that's what I'm doing here now. I'm just blending everything together using my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Now, my favorite part of this spooky look is this black lipstick, you guys. This is gonna give you that gothic, like, e-girl look. And y'all, like, when I was back in my younger days, I used to always wear like deep purple lipstick, and I always used to wear like black lipstick such as this one, like just those deep like e-girls. Like, I was definitely in the era. I don't know if you guys remember like Linkin Park and all that type of era, but anyway, you guys, like, I used to love like just that gothic look, and I feel like black lipstick or deep purple or deep reds will definitely give you that vibe. So if you have something like that, or even an eyeliner like the Inglot eyeliner, you can put that on your lips, and that's definitely gonna top off that spooky vibe. And then next, I'm gonna use some glitter, and on the photo it showed the opposite. It showed that her lips were glittery and she used black for the lines of her lip, but I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I did end up using glitter to give me that skull look, and I thought that was super cute and super glam just because it was different, because a lot of people, again, they just do straight up spooky, but I'm doing my version of spooky with a little bit of glam. So you can grab some glitter, whatever you have in the house. Even if you have loose glitter, you can still use some glue and just dab the loose glitter on in a straight line. If you have like some cotton, so I use like cotton sticks or something that you use for your ears, you guys, at first, and then I was over it, and then I just straight up switched to just using an applicator that I will sanitize. But just use what you have at home, you guys. You can just do what she did in the photo by putting glitter all over the lips and then maybe using some black for the actual skull lips. And last but not least, the final touches will be adding some pop of lashes, because you can't be a glam skull without some glam lashes, okay? And once we put them lashes on, that will complete the final look. See, wasn't it super easy? You have everything right at your fingertips. No need to go shopping. You have everything that you need to create this look right at home. How easy was that? This was a super easy look using all the items that you have in your home. Now all you have to do is throw on a cute blazer, a cute outfit, and this is the perfect look to go out for your Halloween party with the girls. Let me know in the comment below if you plan on recreating this look or what you plan to be for Halloween. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.